In this video, I'm going to show you guys the simplest trading strategy that will let you know when to buy and when to sell, right? It's completely beginner friendly, and I'll simplify it in a way you have never seen, right? The way I'll simplify it is going to be very unique, very educational, and very value based. So save this video, grab your notebook, and share it to a friend who wants to learn forex. What you can see here is that the ball is bouncing from one step to another, progressively going up, right? And what you can see is that when the ball is up, what will happen after that? It will obviously come down to the next step, and when it's in that step, what will obviously happen? It will bounce off that step and go up, right? And when it's going down, just like the image I'm just showing you above, it will obviously do the opposite, right? It will bounce above, come back down. When it's above, it will come back down, bounce down, reject, and go back up, right? Doing this constantly while progressively going down, right? This is very important because what I'm about to show you is going to make sense in a few minutes. I've switched over to my TradingView app right now, and there is no difference between TradingView on the laptop and TradingView on the phone, right? I'm just doing this to demonstrate this strategy, right? So the first things first, right, is I want you to look at these green and red candlesticks as the ball. Because why am I saying as the ball? Because they're in constant motion, right? So that's why I'm calling it the ball, right? So basically, whenever the ball went up, it basically came down. So I'll just bring on an image of the ball right here. So whenever the ball went up, it came back down, right? So for this instance here, you can basically see that the market here went up, right? And then what did it do? It came back down. Now this could be this is what a opportunity for you to do what? To buy. So it came down here and then it went back up, right? So you would have profited from this whole move, right? The same thing applies. It comes back down, right? It comes back down just like the ball was bouncing, right? Here, and then what happens? It goes back up, right? So now this is an uptrend because we're basically going up, right? And what does it consist of? It consists of higher highs and higher lows, but for now you don't need to understand what a higher high is or what a higher low is. Just basically need to call it the ball, right? So let me just show you guys what a higher high is and what a higher low is, right? So whenever this ball comes back down, we call it a higher low, right? Whenever this ball comes back down, we call it a higher low. Whenever it goes back up, we call it a higher high. Now this is the same thing happens for the down when it's going down, right? It's called a downtrend, and it is also like the ball, right? Whenever our ball is traveling down, it comes back up, right? And then when it comes back up, this is an opportunity for you to do what? To sell, right? So this is an opportunity for you to enter for sales here and profit, right? So currently the market is down. What you do is that you wait for it to come back all the way up here and then you enter for sales, right? So for example, this now, whenever the ball comes up, it's called a lower high, and when it goes down to the next step, it's called a lower low. So for example, here, this is a lower low. This, when it comes up, it's a lower high, and then when it goes down, it is a lower low, right? So we sell at lower highs, right? And then we take our profit at lower lows. Same thing happens for the uptrend. We buy at higher lows, and then we sell, and then we take our profits at higher highs, right?